Welcome to the comprehensive guide to Axie Infinity Axie Movesets. Axie Infinity is a popular blockchain-based game where players can collect, breed, and battle creatures known as Axies. Each Axie has a unique set of moves that determine its strengths and weaknesses in battle. To start, let's break down the different components of an Axie's moveset. An Axie's moveset consists of 4 cards, each representing a different move. These cards can be categorized into 3 main types: attack cards, defense cards, and utility cards. Attack cards deal damage to the opponent. Defense cards block or absorb damage. And utility cards provide various benefits such as healing or speed boosts. When building an Axie's moveset, it's essential to consider the Axie's attributes, such as its health, speed, and morale. For example, an Axie with high health may benefit from a moveset that focuses on defense, while an Axie with high speed may benefit from a moveset that focuses on attack. Let's consider a practical example. Suppose we have an Axie with high health and low speed. A suitable moveset for this Axie might include 2 defense cards, 1 attack card, and 1 utility card that provides a speed boost. This moveset would allow the Axie to absorb damage and strike back at its opponent while also increasing its speed to avoid attacks. Best practices for building an Axie's moveset include diversifying the types of cards, considering the Axie's attributes, and adapting to the opponent's moveset. It's also crucial to keep in mind the energy system, which limits the number of cards an Axie can play per turn. In conclusion, understanding Axie Infinity Axie movesets is crucial for success in the game. By considering the different components of an Axie's moveset, adapting to the Axie's attributes, and following best practices, players can build effective movesets that give them a competitive edge in battle. Remember to stay flexible and adjust your strategy as needed to overcome opponents and achieve victory.